Hello, my name is Keyon Boykin. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I decided to do this again. Um, my first experience wasn't good. I got kicked out of a session, come back into the session. I go through basically the whole thing, and I felt at the end of it that it wasn't, I thought it was just another ploy, another gimmick from before. But the things that you were offering in this course, I desperately need because You know, I went through a couple. I got my Part 107. I been going through these. I don't know. People out here is all just trying to make money, and there's nothing really behind the content or the anything that is going to help us moving forward. So the best takeaways that I'm getting from this event is clarity. I've been working my butt off on my own. You know, um, I've been very disappointed. With just everything, the scams, the craziness, the not being able to get nowhere, not be able to get the right answers to questions that I have that are basically legitimate going into this drone business. Someone is on the fence with this. I was there. Literally, I was there. After that first seminar that I took, I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing this no more. Just, nah, it's not worth it. Spending all this money, doing this and that, blah, blah, blah. It's too much work. Um, so, my own journey didn't take me nowhere either. So that's why I decided to give this another chance. And I'm getting the most out of this. This is very informative, um, very hands on. The interaction, um, the honesty, um, everything that you need. Like they say, if you're in your feelings, nah, get out. The thing in the place for you to be in your feelings because you're going to be out there in the real world doing your own thing. And discouragement happens when you don't feel things are going your way or whatever else like that. You have to learn how to succumb and survive and keep it going. Um, if I had a chance to describe Damon is very knowledgeable. Damon's been in the game for way too long to be trying to sell you something that you'll never be able to use. The experience, um, the mindset, um, uh, the playfulness, the realness, everything is there. And Diego, you just hilarious, my friend. Um, I like the way that you interact. I like the way that put things into perspective. And I like it when you're real. I mean, hey, some of these cats got to learn. This is a real world. You got to do real things. You're gonna be disappointed. You're gonna have things that you don't like to hear, and that's just life. You need to do what you do, get the most out of this, and follow the program step by step. I've already started the process, and the reason why I wanted to do this at this time is because now I want to put everything that I've learned and see if there's any truth to it. And from so far, day one, truth to a lot of it. So I'm taking the heed, and I'm putting my plan together as we speak, and we're gonna make it to where, well, I'm gonna make it to where I need to. That's just on me, and it's gonna be on you. So if you're willing to learn, you got an open mind. You you really want to do something with this craft, you can do it. Follow these steps. I'm sure it'll take you there. I'm definitely gonna put it to get good use, and I'm sure I will. So if it works for me, it can work for anybody. Just depends on you. Have a good day.